the shop this morning, but I'm not working in the shop. Today, we're going to pick up a 1975 Jeep Cherokee Chief. My wife, she found it on the Facebook Marketplace, and we were able to make a deal. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I got to go hook up my trailer, and I do have an old Buick on there that I have to get unloaded. So yeah, let's go. All right, here we are. We're headed out to get the Jeep. We're loaded up, ready to rock. So yeah, so off we go. Sorry for the tardiness. We're running a little behind, but
yeah, I'm in no rush.
Yeah, got a couple features that I never even heard of before. Like for instance, I've seen the cab or the camper mounts and stuff, but you ever see the shocks, the box shocks?
Look at that.
Yeah, it's some kind of kit. Wow. You know, being a camper special, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I never seen such a thing.
What would that do?
Well, it connects your box to your cab, and I think it soaks up that.
Right.
And you can see behind the seat they have where it braces.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool.
it is. Yeah, I never seen such a thing.
Nice.
Okay, good. And this will go easy. I got a winch, so we can.
You do? Okay, great.
Right on. It'll be
awesome.
It'll be a piece of cake for sure. You'd be okay with me backing up to the tent? Okay, I'll do that. And
it shouldn't be. It was wet there when it rained, but I think it should be all right now. Yeah,
sure. I just don't want to rut your yard up.
Yeah.
No worries. Yeah, no worries.
It won't matter.
It'll, yeah, well, it shouldn't. Yeah, it shouldn't hurt.
You want to give it some steer?
Yeah, sure. Sounds good.
I've got the Ranger.
Do
Yeah, yeah, we can.
Sure.
yeah.
It'll sit there. Yeah. You
Yeah.
bet.
And
Awesome.
we'll get a big. I got a long sling.
Okay.
And then like
Or-
it might kind of pull it at an angle a bit.
Or even okay, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
And
think we'll get the rest of the way.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and or a boost, or I could.
A battery?
Yeah. A little boost, and then
Yeah.
we'll. I was afraid that
It wasn't quite enough. Yeah. Came off the bead, but you're gonna need different tires.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Those are 16 and a half inch. I don't think you can get those tires anymore.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Probably a nuisance for certain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No worries at all.
I'm gonna take that back and I'm gonna grab your bumpers.
Well, yeah. Look. Yeah, we'll go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go grab them.
Yeah, well, you're saying you're not a builder, but your wife says you are.
Yeah. I do stuff, but yeah, you
My
betcha.
brother and I have been working on this car for the last 3 years, and now we've just come to a complete stall.
Right.
Yeah, he's too busy in his business, and
Yeah.
I'm too busy with my other, hobbies, right?
Sure.
So yeah.
No, it looks good though, and you just gotta get motivated again, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'd have to take it to someone like you.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll keep your number.
Yeah, you
Yes,
betcha.
he's like-
Okay.
67 Plymouth Barracuda notchback. Yeah. And that's converted under there. 6600. Yeah. Yeah, it is. My sister's there, so it's pretty near and dear to her, so I just keep it running for her. She uses it, 6 weeks a year.
Nice.
So, yeah. Yeah, too many things.
For sure. I hear you. Yeah, you betcha.
Yeah.
So do we have them bumper tires?
Yeah, you betcha.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
Yep. Thanks
Awesome,
again.
Shane, thank you. You have got to either send me pictures or come by here when you're done,
Yeah, you
so
betcha.
I can cry.
I don't know how quick we'll get at it
Yeah, well, I'm sure it'll be a few.
and whatnot, but for certain, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you bet.
awesome. I'm happy for you.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so
We're
much.
good to go?
Okay, so that was Jeff, super friendly fella. He's got some cool projects on the go. Yeah, that's it. We got the Cherokee. We're gonna run into St. Albert and get a bite to eat. It's lunchtime.
It's a Cherokee Chief. Cherokee Chief, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well, we made it home. It was a nice sunny, calm day. A nice day for a drive. I had a lot of fun. Jeff, he was a really nice guy, dirt biker. So I used to dirt bike a lot. So we chatted about bikes a little bit and stuff. That was nice. He helped me out with the battery when mine died. Helped me get that baby on there. And the Cherokee's gonna need some work. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get on it right away, but we're definitely gonna work on this Cherokee and get it going for my wife. And,